This is Chinmay, and this video I'm just going to introduce my new upcoming Golang backend development course. This course is going to be extremely extensive Golang course where I'll be writing everything with the production level perspective, starting from the project structure till the implementation of various APIs. So let's start. In this video I'm just going to explain you detail about the course in just like 5 to 10 minutes. So let's start. So this is going to be a Udemy Golang course 5. So the topics I'm gonna cover will be like this. So first I will be implementing the product structure using 5 mental model strategy. So what is 5 mental model strategy? Basically our mind can hold only 5 things at a time. So we use this concept to design our project structure. So when we get some error, we only need to know about 5 things at a time. Be assured that all we need to do, just check for like any of like all the 5 places or the Golang packages, like the directories, to look for the error. So basically, and that 5 mental model is strategy look like app and business and foundation and vendor and ZOF. Okay, except this, basically you won't be seeing any other folder in the root directory except these 5. Okay, so this is a very highly scalable project structure or a service structure. This is highly scalable service structure which is very clean. Okay. Second, I'm going to write 2 services in this course. Most of the code I will be explaining after writing a little bit. So rather than writing everything from scratch and taking your time and the course like 16 hours long, I will try to keep the course like 2 to 3 hours or like 4 hours maximum, so you can complete the course easily without taking much of your time. And that's why I will be having the code in hand, and then we'll be explaining it to you. So 2 services will be there. One will be the API gateway, second will be auth service. Okay, I will be I'll be teaching you, like I will be showing you how can you run Kubernetes development flow to ensure that when you deploy to EKS, nothing will go wrong except the AWS configuration. Okay, So what we'll be doing, we will be running our project, the whole microservice. We are running our microservices using pods inside Kubernetes cluster, not the Docker Compose what you usually do in other courses. Okay, so this is very new and Kubernetes cluster, and this will give you a very clean way to develop your service with the deploy first strategy, above called deploy first strategy, and this is very effective. Okay, so this is going to be very production level and a clean architecture thing. Okay, then I will be letting you know how to set configuration file and provide all the necessary configuration to whole project, to whole service basically. So configuration file will be the center point for any type of configuration in this project. Okay, later I will be showing you like how to set up logging using Zap from Uber. Okay, why Zap? Because logging with Zap is very fast and efficient, so we will be using that. Okay, then the other thing I'm going to teach you, that is microservice communication inside a Kubernetes cluster with cluster IP. Okay, you access only API gateway with an address. REST services communicate to each other. Okay, after this what I'm going to teach you will be okay, yeah, so then we'll be setting a gRPC server. Okay, this table is not comfortable at all. So I will be showing you how to set up a gRPC server from scratch. Okay, and a client too. So then the client will be at API, I can't type today, API gateway side, and server will be at auth server side. Okay, and basically we'll be just implementing CRUD operation. I will be letting you know how to manage migrations with highly efficient GUIs and SQLC. Not just migrations and database queries with highly efficient GUIs and SQLC pattern. I will be letting you know how to use repository pattern. Okay, so what we'll be doing, we'll be having a pattern like router goes to handler goes to service goes to repository. This is a clean architecture pattern where you have a very neat and clean way to handle a process or request. Last but not the least, I will be showing you how to make a structured concurrency on the API gateway to handle HTTP request in a large number by implementing a worker pool for handling HTTP request from client. So this I'll be doing. Okay, yeah. So these are the things basically I'll be covering in this Udemy course. So I'm very excited to create this course, and this course will be available by this weekend for sure. And as soon as this will be ready from the Udemy side, I will be again making an update video and will be giving a link and some discount for the first few users. Okay, so that's the thing, and I'll see you in a course, and I would love to have you on board to learn this production ready Golang learning, or a project you can say, with this course. And on currently right now on the internet, on Udemy or the YouTube, there is no project which is using such highly scalable production grade architecture and backend services, like a backend service pattern basically. So this is going to be very exciting. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.